volume on, my head I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster.
Hello everybody, I'm back with another video showing you how I get this twist out. If you want to know how to get it, keep on watching. Start off by putting Latte Define leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. Before doing this down, make sure your hair is very detangled. Once the product is all throughout my hair, I like to part it down the middle. Make sure y'all grab y'all some Eco Styler gel or something just so it could, be defined. Y'all make sure y'all put that all throughout your hair too, because that's what's going to make it look good for real, for real. I start to simply just flat twist. And y'all, I really don't know how to explain it, but like just watch and y'all will catch on because it's literally so easy. And this right here is the most important part. As you go down, make sure you smooth out your hair and add more gel at the bottom so you can get that real defined look. Basically do the same thing on the other side. Before you take your hair down, make sure you coat your fingers with some type of oil. My all-time favorite is olive oil. Then I just picked my hair out to my liking because you gotta get the volume. I already know I can't leave the house without my edges done. That's the number one thing. Hello everybody, I'm back with a twist out. Yeah. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Come on now, Simora. You ain't. Wait, hold on. You ain't have to do it to them like that. But I did. Y'all, look at this. I'm sorry. Okay. Thanks for watching. Love y'all.